Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're gonna see how to install Ajenti Control Panel in Oracle Linux 8.8. Ajenti Core is a web interface development framework that has a web server, IOC container, a simplistic web framework, and a set of core components aiding in the client-server communication. It consists of plugins developed for the Ajenti Core and the startup script, concurrently providing a server administrator panel experience. The panel's plugins have a file manager, terminal, notepad, etc. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Next, I am going to install dependency by using the following command. Next, I am going to download the Ajenti installation script using the following core command, which will install Ajenti along with all the needed dependency. Next, I am going to check the status of Ajenti running by using the following command. It is active and running. I configure firewall by using the following command. Once I reload the firewall, next I am going to open the browser. Once port is allowed, you are now ready to access the Ajenti web URL from your favorite web browser. You need to use URL address with HTTPS with the port number, line with the root user. After successful authentication, you will be redirected to the below dashboard. Here you can see your default server utilization metrics. This includes CPU usage, active core, total memory, current memory usage, uptime, etc. This is the dashboard of Ajenti. This is the process to install Ajenti cPanel on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.